Hi everyone, this is Drawn Dreams, or Irani if you know me, and I'm here today to teach you how to make your own stickers from home. So stay tuned! Okay guys, so for step 1, sketching, don't worry too much, okay? This step is supposed to be messy. This is for you to get your ideas out and really just let go. Okay guys, so usually I use Pinterest a lot to find reference pictures, and this can be anything from a pose for a character to an animal or a plant. Honestly, I can find almost any reference picture from Pinterest. Alright guys, so for step 2, my tip would be, I personally use the inking pen found under the Legacy group in the sketchbook app. Alright guys, so something else I did want to mention is don't be afraid to use multiple layers during this step. I know that sometimes we want to use one single layer for this line art step to make it just very clean and easy to work with or easy to find. But remember that you can always merge your layers later down the road. Don't be afraid to use multiple layers at first because you can always merge them later. Okay, and for step 3, color it in. I just want to say that I start with a base color first. I want to make sure that I have a color palette that works, and then I go into shadows. I use I use the multiply setting to add shadows. I also use a soft glow layer to add lighting and highlights. And finally, I also use the blending tool a lot. The blending tool is literally my best friend during the entire process. Alright, so then I repeat this process for every character or sticker idea that I have. Something that I like to do is to use my marker or brush pen to highlight or outline the outer edges of a certain section, and then I'll use my fill tool to just fill it in, and then I'll blend all the little edges together to make it very seamless and smooth. Alright guys, so meet the Summergirls. These are 4 fruity, fun besties who turned one summer beach party into a forever friendship. We have Cherry Berry, who is a bubbly cherry-loving sweetheart with a sugar glider jelly bean. Then we have Rory Melonia. She is fearless watermelon field skater girl with her red panda hip. Then we have Quinn Peachy. She is a soft sunshine. She is the soft sunshine of the group, always smiling with her Quokka 2D. And then we have Nina Mango. She is the tropical glam queen with her Fennec Fox Nipsey. And she is a touch of mystery. Together they swim, skate, snack, and make every summer day feel like an adventure. The Summer Girls aren't just stickers; they're a vibe. Which one is your Summer Girl bestie? Alright, so for step 4, I used Canva to add those final details that I normally take hours to do. If you are like me and you are very busy, then you know that little softwares like these make all the difference. By the way, I really quickly want to mention that I'm not an influencer. Nothing in this video is sponsored by anyone. So any app or software that I use is because that is something that I genuinely like and find useful during this process. Fun facts. Cherry Berry is the bubbly bestie. Her fruit theme is cherry, obviously. Her animal vibe is sugar glider. And by the way, she has a sugar glider pet named Jelly Bean. Her favorite colors are pink, red, and green. Her personality, she is playful, sweet, and always planning the next hangout. Her favorite snack is a bowl of chilled cherries. Her favorite summer activity is listening to music at the park with her friends. Bonus stats. Sparkly level, 5 sparklies. Friendship energy, definitely 5 hearts. And cherry puns per hour, about 12 cherries an hour. Alright guys, finally it is time to print. Now, this next part is for all the people out there that don't have the money to spend on some big fancy machines. So this is what we've got at home.
is like a really big picture. It's 2 inches. So this is what I've been using to cut the stickers out. And I'm really bad at this. So I need to have a visual for what I'm doing. So I just have to line it up. Make sure like it's all right there. Which there's supposed to come out. And then kind of press it a little bit to keep it still. Put it on here. And then just like to kind of just show you how much force it takes. I ruined it. I ruined it. Oh my god, oh my god. Sorry. Gotta laugh at your being silly. I'm gonna do it under because it is. Okay, that's right. Ah, where am I? Guys, I need to open this before. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna break my TV? Alright, so experiment failed successfully. Other than that, I cannot use this thing. And then I have laminated the stickers because it's too thick. And I'm afraid of breaking my thingy. And I know they're not that expensive, but I'm broke. Oh, and this is why we get test runs because we get stickers like this. Guys, you think you know how to do something and how to plan, but without doubt, every time you start doing it, something goes wrong and you have to just roll with the punches. So, let's take a suggest here. Get to my style, and let's see what works for you as a figure it out. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Will it work? Will it work? Let me look at my water bottle. Okay, I'm back. So, this is why I wanted to experiment because the stickers were supposed to be waterproof and like water safe. But this went through the dishwasher, and like you can still tell what it is, but it looks super faded and super old. And like that is one wash. This is coming off. See, I need new stickers. So, moment of truth. Will it stick on this one as well as the other ones? And then also, what is that right there? And also, will it make it through the wash? So right off the bat, it's thicker. It feels more. It almost feels more professional, right? What? Probably a whole face just for some this way. Okay. I mean, not totally in love with it. Let me see this one. It just really doesn't come out. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Already bad sign. This is a very bad sign. Let's just experiment for the sake of the experiment. Let's figure it out. Let's just put them all on. Just you know, F it. Just put them all on. Put them all on. Yeah. Okay, this feels a little better than this one. Okay, this one came out. I feel like this one came out better than this one. I feel like these two have come out better than this one. Okay. Alright, show me. Let's see. This one's gonna come from that. What is that? Just a shadow. There. Let's just finish. Let's finish it. Right. We're not gonna worry about them looking pretty right now. This is just to see if they work. How I want it to work, not how the manufacturer wants it to work. Okay. Alright, so I was able to do an experiment and put my water bottle through the dishwasher. And this is what the stickers look like after being put through the dishwasher, which is a big difference from the first try that got faded and everything. So, fun fact, I've had this pencil case since I was in 2nd grade, which means it's ancient. But here are the stickers in their final form. So yeah, this is just a little video so that you all know how easy it is to make your own stickers at home. And as long as you understand that they're not 100% perfect, and they're made out of a labor of love, and that's all that matters.